So today in this video, I will do mukbang. I hope you guys will like it. By the way, I didn't cook any of this. I just ordered it, and yes, if you guys are new here, then please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. So let's check. So first, this I ordered a chow, and then another one. This is Momo. Oh, this shirt. This is my first time doing this. Yeah, first time here. To be honest, I don't like Momo that much, so I just went for this chow. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, for sparing your time. And yes, just like I said before, if you are new here, then please don't forget to subscribe. You can share, you can give a like, and also please support me, all my new viewers. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.